Augmented reality is by far the in thing at the moment, and to be honest, so are guns. So being able to mould those two together into a must-have novelty toy surely has to be a must. And for under £20, this badass guy will probably make its way onto your shopping list. So companies have been incorporating AR in as many product idea concepts as they can think of, and if so happens, I actually have one of those that some may assume far-fetched ideas here. We've seen this concept in products before with the likes of PlayStation, and to be honest, the concept is very much the same. It's quite an attractive box, but in the box you get the gun and the clip to place the mobile on. Now don't worry, the bracket is able to hold smartphones from 2 to 3 inches in width. So that covers the likes of what I'm using, the Note 8 and some of the Pluser models. In a nutshell, there isn't really much to this product, except it houses a Bluetooth trigger. Now connecting that Bluetooth trigger to your phone is done by pressing the trigger 3 times to activate discovery mode, and you should be able to find it using your Bluetooth menu on your phone. That trigger, once connected to your phone, acts as somewhat of an action click. So basically, to put that in perspective, the trigger is the only electrical part of the whole thing, and that only requires 2 AA batteries. The rest is just a heap of plastic, hence probably the cheap price. There are around 24 supported AR games, and these come in 2 forms, AR games and AR Attacker. Basically a child-friendly version and one with a little bit more chaos. They are completely free, so realistically you're only paying for the gun for a whole entertainment package. Bearing in mind you have a smartphone to hand, obviously. Now I have to admit the games are fluent and the usage of the gun is fantastic too, for the price. The tracking is very much done from the phone itself, but the Bluetooth connection between the trigger and the in-game play is really responsive. Now I'm not really going to dwell too much on the information on this, but overall the games are fluent and the gun is surprisingly great to use in correspondence with your smartphone. In a huge solid nutshell, the reason I brought you this video is the pure fact that AR is finally happening and plenty of products are doing it, so why not bring you a cheap one like this? This certain one is a simple concept, I'm not going to lie, but let's not dismiss it's a neat gadget for at least an hour's worth of fun, until you get bored and want to play with something else. Well, that's for the big kids like me, but for the youngsters this can give them hours of endless fun. Make sure you check out the rest of the channel, subscribe because there is plenty more gadget and tech to come soon. Till next time.